Welcome to our channel One Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can upload a long video on your Instagram story. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now Instagram does not allow you to upload a really long video on your story, but there is a way around it, and the way is to split your video. Now if you have like a 10, 20 or 30 minute video, it's going to be a really long process, but if it is just like 60-second video, then just by splitting your video once, you can upload it. So I will show you guys how you guys can do that. And first thing first, what you want to do is click on your story at the top right, and from over here you can choose the video you want. Let's say I want to upload this video on my story, a 55-second one. What I can do is split it on half, so I'm gonna do it 30 seconds now. What I can do is click on done and click on the arrow at the bottom, click on share, click on done. Now half of the story is uploaded. Now what I can do is click on my profile at the bottom right, and then click on the plus icon right beside my profile picture and click on where it says create story, and I'm going to choose the same video again. The last time my video was until 60 seconds. I'm just gonna drag until 30 seconds. Now after 30 seconds this is going to happen. Now when two of the story is uploaded, the first half one, the second half another story. So I'm going to click on done, click on the arrow at the bottom right, click on share, click on done. As you guys can see, two of my story, the first half is going to be over here, the second half of the video is going to be over here, just like this. So that's how you guys can upload a long video on your Instagram story. Now if it is like a 10-20 minute video, I don't think you should try this method, because this is only going to work if your video is 1 or 2 minutes long. Like until 5 minutes is fine, but more than that is going to be a really hard thing to do. But yeah, that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.